My dear Vincent, today I watched you walk with so much pride and joy during your talk and painting ceremony. You were radiant, confident, hopeful, and ready for all that lies ahead. My heart was overflowing with love for you. I thought of your mother, and I know she is smiling from heaven, so proud of you. Her love lives on in you, quiet, steady, guiding you always. And then there was Mama, walking right beside you, steady as ever, and pinning your nameplate with her own hands. That moment spoke louder than words. She may not always show her emotions openly, but in her quiet way, she has always been there for you. Today, I know she is just as happy and proud as the rest of us. My prayer is that you grow into a person who is not only skilled and resilient, but also kind, loving, and true to yourself. Because that, more than any achievement, is what will make you shine in this world. Always remember, I am proud of you, I believe in you, and I will always be here to support you. With love, Auntie.
Ito si Buboy. Yun yung ceremony ni Buboy.
Ellen Abiti, our CCSE Dean, Sir Jeffrey Laipo, our school chaplain, Pastor John Stephen Goyce, our distinguished faculty members, proud parents, friends, and of course, my fellow candidates, a blessed day to all of you. I am Vincent Allen Vignola, representing the College of Business, and on behalf of my fellow candidates, it is with great pride and humility that I stand before you to present the petition for this most meaningful event, our Talk and Pinning Ceremony. Today, we the students of Lorma College's College of Business formally and respectfully request that we be granted the honor of donning our toques and pins. This ceremony holds great significance as it symbolizes the culmination of our academic journey and marks our transition from students to emerging professionals. For the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management and Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management students, the donning of our toque and receiving of pins represent our dedication, skill mastery, and readiness to enter the dynamic fields of hospitality and tourism. For the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, the pinning ceremony symbolizes professionalism, commitment to ethical business practices, and readiness to contribute meaningfully to the corporate world. This serves not only as a recognition of our hard work, our perseverance, but also as an inspiring rite of passage that strengthens our connection to our fields and, of course, to each other. We stand ready to embrace the responsibilities and values of our professions, guided by the excellence and integrity that was taught to us by our time here at Norma Colleges. With this, Dean Hombre-Bueno, we humbly petition and request your approval to proceed with the bestowal of our toques and pins. Thank you, and may this day mark the beginning of our greater journey towards service, leadership, and success.
Danao Charles Kevin V.
Sabi mo naman yung word. Kaya nga eh. Tsaka ano? Ano yung sa'yo? Ito, mauubos ka pa to. Thank you.
Daniel Cetro, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration.
Good morning, esteemed guests.
Thank you so much. Now let us call on our